welcome back to the channel. There's the controller, there's the door. Got to get the new one in without doing that to it. So there's the washing machine, there's the lid. What have we got there then? There's the front cover, there's the cover to the drawer, there's the controller, there's the door, and there should be two more bits somewhere. I had to sacrifice the door seal. Problem being, it was just too wide. Me and Alex, our son, got that in there and we really struggled, but me and Nikki just couldn't quite get it out, so we've had to demolish a few things. So yeah, there's the front of it. Have to cut the seal, get it out, and that's the front. 10-year parts guarantee. Yeah, ring that number and see what joy you get. Indiset, we've rung it, we've spoken to them, we've given up. 2.5 years old, that washing machine, and it just will not take in water. It's the controller, it's the programmer. Oh yeah, and I took the concrete block off just to make it a bit easier on her back, but she's ended up carrying out anyway. Chucking it nearly on my toe. But yeah, one washing machine. Yeah, as I was saying, it's the controller at fault. So what they're quoting to replace the controller and the time scale is just not worth it, so we bought a new washing machine. Now we've got to get in. Now obviously when you're taking a washing machine out that your nose broke, your nose going to the tip, you can be a bit ruthless with it. There it is, all spread out. Look, concrete block, drawer front, timer, controller, top, door, front, and the actual bloody machine itself. Now the key is, I've got to get the new one in without doing that to it. Let's see how we go, shall we? Oh, so relaxing. I love the look of your lifestyle, living on a narrowboat. They all say that. Yeah, you've got such an idyllic lifestyle. Saturday afternoon with the sun out, half a mile down the towpath with a washing machine. Let's try this one then. No taking this one to bits. Argus clearance bargains, £139.99. Should be £219.99. I ain't going to brag about it till it's in and working, but let's see what happens, shall we? Whew, I'm out of breath. Get the little beauty unwrapped, shall we? Get it in the boat. Got the washing machine in, got it down. Look, we had to take the front panel off, the controller panel, and the lid, and somewhere, wherever it's hiding, I don't know, but the door. So we didn't break anything, we didn't take the concrete block off, we've undone the travel bungs. Now we're going to slide it in and put it back together as it goes. Hey, nearly there, I hope it bloody works. Right, she's nearly back together. Nothing like an idyllic lifestyle on the side of the canal, is there? Saturday afternoon when the sun's shining. I've just got to put the door back on. There we go. Just get this door back on. That's it.
did you do that screw?
Did that screw.
Where is the shelf?
Quality control is here. Door shuts like a new one.
Ooh, lovely. Let's put this in, right?
Hold on, that clips back in there. How does that go then? All excited.
Not that I use that bit. Yay.
There we go. Ta-da!
Yeah, but does it
How
work?
to fit your washing machine into your narrowboat on a Saturday afternoon. Simple. Right. I'll let you know shortly whether it works or not. And look at that. She works. She's taking in water. Exactly what the other one wouldn't do. Happy days. Let's get back to this idyllic lifestyle, shall we?